Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Sweatcoin. And let's suppose if you have some balance. So here you can see that you simply need to come on to the store here and you can easily use your balance to claim different physical offers. You can also claim some digital offers as well. So let's suppose you buy some digital cards, digital gifts that you can sell to another person as well, because currently this is the only method possible to withdraw your money from Sweatcoin. So there is no other option to convert your Sweatcoin in dollars. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.